What's up, your boy Dylan? Welcome back to another video, and this is an unboxing video. I haven't made this for a little while now, and I'm back with it again. So today I received my 14 Plus, my new blue 14 Plus in the mail, and I've been waiting since pre-ordered. I ordered it on September 11th. So let's look through this phone because I have like 30 days to trade it in, maybe shorter than that. So this is the 8 Plus, as you remember from, like, I don't know, may or may not remember, from like two years ago, like almost 3 years ago. When I used to be cringe back then. But now I'm totally cringe and crazy. Maximum capacity 87% in a matter of 2 years and 9 months. So these are all my apps so far before it gets transferred. I don't know, I feel like doing this. And we're gonna be opening up and setting up the 14 Plus. It might take a while. This might just be an unboxing, maybe not a setup. I don't know. Can't promise you anything. So has iOS 16, so it's a pretty decent phone. So other than that, let's start opening this. Sorry, the camera's a bit shaky. So let's open. I'm just using one hand of recording this and one hand of opening this. So we opened the bottom, and now let's open the box.
A few moments later.
And we opened it up. Oh my god. It looks so freaking beautiful. Oh my god. Holy crap. Let's see if I could. Oh my god. It looks. Oh my god. Very nice. Shiny. And stuff. Sorry, I would have recorded this on a better camera, but I just wanted to open it ASAP. I'm so excited. And it doesn't have a SIM card, so I would have to do it myself, transfer it over myself. So let's see how we could, how we do with that. And it also comes with a micro USB too. Gonna put that on the side. And you no longer need a physical SIM. Activate your eSIM during iPhone setup. Does it have a SIM ejector? I don't know why I would think that. I don't think it does. No. And whatever, I just thought something else. That's all. Alright. Wow. Alright, now let's open this up. I'm so excited. I'm like mixing up my words. I'm so bad at my talking. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm so excited. So excited. It's crazy. It's crazy. And I have my mom's old 8 Plus, and it finally turned on, so I might just use that for the camera because it took forever to turn on because it's been dead for so long. So yeah, see you in a bit. Okay, so now since I got a better camera, besides this iPad one, this iPad camera is totally not for recording and doing camera things. So this is a more better look of the phones. Well, just this one because you came here just for this particular unboxing, and look at that. It looks so nice. Wow, well, it looks like a sky blue, sort of like an ocean blue, sort of, but more like a sky blue. But this is Sierra blue, I believe. Looks nice. No SIM tray, so I would have to do it myself. All right, you know what? Let's just take another look around it. All right, let's power this baby on. Oh my god, it's on. Let's go. I'm sorry, I gotta come down a bit. I'm like overexcited right now. Like I'm just like being an idiot at this point. So another look. There's hello. Here's another look at my A plus. Just like last look. And then maximum capacity after almost 3 years. Well, 2 years and 9 months. 87% maximum capacity. I'm just gonna like do it again. And this has 120 gigs, just like this one does. These are my apps. And yeah, let's set this baby up. And let's see what we got. Hello, it's me. Alright, I'm just gonna stop. It has SOS. It's not activated yet, as of yet. Oh shit, no. English, United States. To sign in and set up. And yeah, here we go. Set up new iPhone. Waiting for other iPhone. Wow, that was actually quite simple. Continue on my other phone. Set up for me. Your passcode on the other iPhone. Okay. Here we go. We set it up. Honestly, I kind of want to start fresh on this new one. I mean, it is what it is, you know? May take a few minutes to activate your device. So I'm just gonna skip the process and... Oh, my phone number should match. Confirming your phone number. I think that the eSIM. Yes. Your identity. Account pin from your password or the password. I might have to do this later on. yeah, I might have to do this later. So, right now, it's taking 2 hours to transfer everything. The A Plus, and a new phone. 2 hours, so I'm gonna update you guys once it's complete. So, like, maybe 2 hours or a little bit less, like 1 to 2 hours of transferring, and it's finally done. So, this is. I took off the case on this because it got pretty hot. So, it was at like 40 to 50 something, now it's at 15. Yeah, so but it's a lot of battery. Wasted a lot of battery. So yeah, this is the stuff on this phone, and the new one all done. I'm gonna put in the passcode. I'm gonna add Face ID up. Set that up later, and also the eSIM later. One second. Hey. So yeah. SOS only. Have to set that up later. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. See you guys later.